You can hear it. Look, look, it's about to pop.
Oh, Zach! Oh, it's cold.
Yo guys, today we're exploding a watermelon with elastic bands. So, let's go.
Now we can start.
Taking way too long. Ow, fuck you. There's so many on the floor. My hand's so cold I can't feel it. Oh, it's so cold. I'm the Hulk.
Did you hear it?
Oh shit. Oh, you fucking idiot. It fucking broke. Okay, let's carry on going. Let's carry on. Oh shit. Didn't move that. Fuck.
Tastes quite nice still. Some plain water though.
Okay, wait.
Okay guys, so this watermelon might not actually explode anymore because it's already broken when we threw it.
Wait. Do you want to carry on? I think it would. Okay, we're going to carry on trying to make this explode. Look at that.
Listen.
It's about to pop. You can hear it cracking.
You can hear it.
Right,
Keep going, Rex.
Look at this. Just look at that.
He's up here.
Oh!
Fuck. Alright, cool.
Carry on going. That is gonna explode.
He's got a feeling it's gonna hit me.
Oh my god, you can hear it. Look, it's about to pop.
Oh, Zach!
It's crushing it. Fuck. scared
Wait.
me. Fuck.
No.
Oh shit.
One more.
Try not to get him. Shit, we need to put more on. Fuck. Are you dumb? How is that not popped? The fuck?
That is a net. It's going.
You need to do loads of elastic bands at once.
Hold it enough. Oh my god.
Fuck off. What the hell? Look at it.
It looks like it's falling.
How's it not already?
Oh shit!
bro.
Is that it? Can we play catch?
It's gonna be bare messy.
No.
Again. What do you mean?
Are you ready? Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah.
Whoa! Whoa! Well, guys, I didn't go as we planned, but
We'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe.
comment.
Bye guys.